Hello and welcome to That Suite. My name is Sarah Emery and today I'm going to show you how to create a saved search to show sales orders for backordered items. When creating a transaction search, you have the ability to show a number of quantity fields: quantity, quantity committed, quantity billed, picked, packed, etc. But you do not have the ability to select quantity backordered. That is not a column that is natively available. Luckily, you can use a formula numeric column to calculate the uncommitted and unshipped quantity for each line and use that formula to quickly create a saved search for sales orders that include one or more backordered products. So I'm starting here with a new transaction search. I'm just going to add a few criteria. Let's close out of this. My first criteria will be type. So I'm going to limit this to sales orders. Then I'm going to add a status so that I can limit this to only transactions that are still pending fulfillment. So I will do none of closed, canceled, or pending approval. Next, I'm going to say mainline is false so that I only get the item level results. And finally, I'm going to join to my item, and I'm going to add an item type filter of assembly, inventory, item, and kit package. And this will automatically exclude non-inventory items, tax and shipping lines, discount and markup lines, so all of those non-inventory related lines that you would normally see in your search results. And then last but not least, I'm going to add my formula numeric column. Since what I am looking for are items where the quantity ordered exceeds what is committed, I'm going to start with a simple formula of quantity minus quantity committed. The quantity committed does not show a value if there is no quantity committed, so we're going to add a no value tag to replace any null results with 0. That will resolve any errors in our formula. The one thing we now need to account for is previous shipments. So at this point, if I have previously shipped some, but there are none committed, that is not being taken into account. So I'm also going to subtract the quantity filled received. What I want to find are specifically transactions where the quantity ordered exceeds what is committed and previously shipped. So I'm going to put my formula result to greater than 0. So that will show me those backordered scenarios. While I'm here, I'm also going to come back and copy this formula. This will just allow me to use it in my results as well. At this point, I'm going to jump over to my results tab. And I'm going to just remove everything that's here so we have a clean slate. And I'm going to include just a really simple criteria, some results data here. So I'm going to add my date, my document number, customer name, item name, and a few quantity related columns so that I can validate my results. So I can see quantity, quantity committed, quantity fulfilled received, and finally I'm going to add in my formula. So I'll just go ahead and paste this in, and I'm going to add a label. Add some sorting. Okay, at this point, I'm going to save and run so that we can see our results. And once this loads, We'll see I am presented with a list where this quantity backordered column, I'm not seeing any zeros. And as I look through, I can see that my math looks correct. And you'll notice here that that quantity committed column is not showing any results. That's the reason that I added that no value tag to the formula itself. So I'm just going to come back in here and do the same thing. So I'm going to replace this quantity committed selected value with a formula numeric. And my formula will be the no value formula. My quantity committed column. Place that any no value, null values with zeros. So then let me relabel this to quantity committed. Okay, let's save and run. Okay, so now I have zeros for all null values here. So this search makes a great dashboard portlet for sales or procurement staff, and it can also be tailored to trigger automatic emails notifying staff of high impact back orders immediately after the order is placed. You could even use this to trigger a workflow that sends an email that uses a branded template to notify customers about the backordered items. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you have ideas about other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe for even more NetSuite tips, tricks, and helpful hints. I will be back again next week with another video to help you keep living that sweet life.